Right, how we doing, folks? Please ignore how bloody tired I look. It's 7 AM, we're at Kevin Jr. Barbers, and I'm going to take you through two of our best-selling styling products. This is the sea salt spray and the moulding cream. Now, to kick things off, the sea salt spray. When you use this product, you need to use it on wet hair or towel dry hair. So out the shower, dry your hair with a towel, and then we're going to apply the sea salt spray after that. So my hair is bone dry at the minute, so the first thing we're going to do, give it a quick spray down and just get it towel dry. The reason for that is because the sea salt spray activates a lot better on wet hair. Okay, so now my hair is towel dry or just like slightly damp. What we want to do is get in at the root of the hair. So we're going to pull the hair up with one hand and we're going to spray with the other, just like so. There's no skill with this. You're literally just going to spray it everywhere and massage it in, making sure we've got it on every piece of hair on the head. Now, let me point out, you can clearly see that Kev Jr. is collecting a couple of car parks in the older years, and this happens to a lot of us. The advice I give to you guys is if you are starting to recede, you want to get your barber to leave the hair that's at the back of the receding section, leave that longer so that can come over. And what happens is when we put the sea salt spray on, it acts like a thickening agent. It almost binds the hair together. So it actually makes your hair look thicker than what it is. And you're about to see that now. So we've got the sea salt spray on. Again, just massaging that all the way through. And then what I want to do now, again, pay attention how thicker my hair is in the middle. It grows lovely here, but doesn't on the sides, which is very annoying. Most guys out there who are going through my scenario will be watching this video going, that is me. Right, fear not. There is a way of disguising these car parks. So we've got the sea salt spray on. We're now going to get the Kevin Jr. Pro Black 2000 hairdryer. The power in this bad boy is unreal. The cord that it comes with is 3 meters long. So it's perfect for barbers. This is a barber shop quality hairdryer, but at a price that even you at home can pay and afford. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the diffuser head, this comes with it, diffuser head. Reason being, we don't want the air to flow out. If it's got a nozzle on, which I haven't got to hand, yes I have. If it's got a nozzle on, this means the air is going to be directed straight. And that's why you'll see a lot of hairdressers using this, because they want to straighten the hair. We don't want to straighten my hair, we want it to have volume. So we take this off and we put this on. And now the air is going to be dispersed almost out like so. It's not going to be directed. And it's basically going to be like drying your hair naturally, but 20 times faster. Medium heat. Again, no skill set. All you're going to do is take your spare hand, and whilst it's drying, you're just going to ruffle the hair up and start manipulating and putting it where you want it to be. I'm just going to stop there. You can see already that hair that I purposely left when I got my hair cut, I left this section longer. That now can come in. We're going to blast it, add a bit of volume, and watch how I create a decent hairline compared to what you saw before, those big, I keep calling them car parks, those big receding gaps that I did have, or that I do have. A little bit of volume at the front. This is a good technique, just using your fingers and just pinching the hair like so. just to bring it off the scalp and to give yourself some volume. Right, so we're going to stop there. Now, as you can see, for day-to-day basis, like on a day-to-day basis, just going to work or whatever, I'm happy with that. That's perfect. I've got texture. I can manipulate it during the day because it's got that sea salt spray in it. And what I mean by that is I can just, you know, if I clock myself and think, my hair's looking a bit crap, I can just pinch it and move it around and add a bit more texture. But look at that hairline. Those car parks are gone. I now look like I've got a pretty decent, thick, full hairline. Now, if you wanted to add just a little bit more va-va-voom, then you bring out the moulding cream. This is almost like a toothpaste texture. So unlike your waxes or your putties, or your, what else, your waxes, your putties, or your pomades, this is a matte finish. Matte finish as in dry. It doesn't make your hair look like wet. It's very easy to apply. As you can see, it's like a toothpaste texture. So when you rub it in, you haven't got to fight with it. You've not got like thick blobs of it. So when you put it in your hair, it clogs up. You literally just massage it into your fingers, because we're only going to use our fingers. So don't bother putting it into the palm of your hands, just the fingers, and literally just massage it in, just like you did with the sea salt spray. Put it where you want it. And again, all this is going to do is just give it that little extra bit of hold. And this is something I would do, certainly if I was going on a night out and I wanted something, you know, I just wanted a little bit of extra texture, a little bit of extra hold. Maybe I'm out for the day, maybe I'm out for the night. You can see straight away how much more volume it's giving. It's just got that little bit more than the sea salt spray on its own. Sea salt spray, fantastic for just daily use. And then if you're wanting to just tweak things a little bit more, you bring out the moulding cream. So there we have it. 3 products I've used today, cheap as chips. The sea salt spray, the moulding cream, and this is a godsend, the Pro Black 2000 hairdryer. Each one of these products are available from kevinjr.co.uk.